questions on how we made our trifold gamographs, so I wanted to show you. So this is what I'm going to show, how we set up our system. We started with an 11.5 by 14 inch rectangle. They could use a ruler for this, but I just cut strips of railroad board 1.5 inches wide to make it easy and make sure we all had the measurements right. We just traced this all the way down on each side. So then we look like this. Snipped the corners, just like that. We did that to each corner. And then we just folded each side where we made our line. We bent our corners in so we could apply glue and fix the sides together, just like that. That made our box frame. Now on to the inserts. I cut a bunch of 4-inch pieces of Xerox paper. Student got 9 of these. Folded it in half, long side to long side. Folded the bottoms up like that. And we did the same to the other side. Then your piece should be able to stand up like this, and glue went on the bottom of there. And then after the kids glue the first one down, they put glue on the second one and they overlap them. And you keep going with all 9 until you reach the other side. Just like that. And then students use a ruler to measure their portraits in 1-inch increments and make lines. They cut them so all the strips were 1 inch. They glued their strips of their first portrait down on the bottom, glued the second portrait on the left side, and glued the third portrait on the right side.